Yeah, we go stand when you might go for questions. Now, yeah, me. Yeah, DJ will see you. DJ will. Hold on, DJ. You will give me small money for the mic. Let's say later hour with you. Ladies and gentlemen, they don't do perform for now. Boss. I greet you, Baba. I don't know, say my family people day here, boss. You don't say Happy New Year to you, boss. Respect. Go do small thing for now. Don't say. Answer back. Gentlemen, the mic, I beg. They're not too loud, I beg. I do okay like this. Are we together? No, see, bring them out small. That's how we go front. Don't say we will be DJ, will be electrician, everything. Are we together? Yeah. So, ladies and gentlemen, now I want to perform. I go be like a choir master. They don't do perform for una here. The alcohol with the una system. Now una is a perform. They tell me say that mature people dey yes. I want test una maturity with mature music. The DJ will play one beat. With that beat, we will sing mature song. We don't rain past that year. Whether na Yankee, America, Jamaica, anyone when I sing, we don't know. When I go be my backup. DJ, as they sing, you go to hook the beat for them. No worry, I will go from me. No break. As they sing, you go to hook the beat. You don't say they don't hold microphone. So ladies and gentlemen, DJ, drop the beat. Are you ready now? So now the beat is this. DJ, every part when I sing, you go to hook up like Iceman, have you? Check it. If I sing the song, load the body on the beat small, bro. Load the body on the beat small. Oh yeah, now let's go. Check it. If I sing the song and you know the song, but you sing along, Alright, only baby that you got me rain and then flip away the girl next door. Listen, we were both bending, just banging on the bed over y'all. How could I forget that I yet given her that sweaty? All this while, she was standing there, she never took her eyes off me. I could never lie, the woman that's for your pillar. Let's just the witness while they cook it to the pillar. Let's watch up on me, but it doesn't do a killer. Let's say I'm the situation, but no one a pillar. Be a true player, cause I know what to play. If you say you're not all this, I say you're gay. Never ask me to a word what you say. And you better tell her, honey, baby, no way. Boss, but you got me on the counter.
Wasn't me.
Got me kissing on the sofa.
Wasn't me.
I ain't got it in the shotgun.
Wasn't me.
So I told her.
Wasn't me.
And it went to the shoulder.
Wasn't me.
And it goes skinny louder.
Wasn't me.
And it's skinny louder.
Wasn't me.
He's not bringing to a show, aye. See the first time you looking at your eye. If you tell you what a guy like good.
I like it.
Full time in the evening, me and you chilling on the beach.
On the beach.
And trust me, girl, it feels so sweet.
Feels so sweet.
Hey, one thing you move and me feel like I'm blue. Cause my hands on your leg, everybody sing. I feel like I'm drowning in an ocean. Somebody come and take me away. Something to sing. Everybody now,
Want you want to go away from us.
everybody say,
Want you want to go away from us.
Check me out now. Why you let me? Why you let me?
Why?
Baby, tell me. Why you let me? Why you let me?
Why you live?
If you know something makes sense, make some noise.
What up?
Now tell them I said we didn't treat you for singing my top music with make sense, I mean. If you don't say you like American musician, Akon, let me see how come. If you like American musician, Akon, we didn't say big bros, but perform Akon together. Alright, I'm trying to tell you for the morning. I don't wanna go till I ain't getting no closer. I don't wanna go. The car is stolen. The race is strange. The gas one drug. Because I get locked up.
Don't let me out.
Sing along. Don't let me sing. I got locked up.
Don't let me out.
Go. Let me take you to the ghetto. These streets remind me of places where you want it. to hold on to, and there's no one to pull you out. You keep on falling, yeah man. No one can hear you calling. So you end up self-destructing. On the corner, on the toolie, on the waistline. 2 marks on the back from the canine. 2 marks on the ground from the A9. That mama means someone that wants no sunshine. They say I won't make it, but remember I yesterday. Put it on to watch our game, man. Cross it, that's the life we all living in. Ghetto, ghetto, ghetto. That's the life we all living in. My teacher said I don't know. He said only Lagos and Abuja people they know the song. So I won't try when I want to my brother you block this guy when they challenge me. He said only Lagos and Abuja people. I won't try you now. Make I try now. They said I don't know this one, so let me test you guys. Oh yeah, now let's go see. Anyone in a place tonight who don't wanna be a witness, then walk away. Hey, God! Soldier that loves to fight. If you ride to the block, it was time today. By my AK. Gunshots! What up? You get it. One more time, say. Anyone in a place tonight who don't wanna be a witness, then walk away. Hey, God! I'm the soldier that loves to fight. If you ride to the block, it was time today. By my AK. Gonna make me unleash the dragon. I know you don't really wanna unleash the dragon. Niggas, if you feel me, hey. Shawty's if you with me, hey. For the longest I've been jumping in the party. Everybody know me, pushing everybody. Right back on top of me, yeah. Or even think you're gonna get away from me. You better change your mind, cause I'm of you too, baby, brother. You're going up with me tonight. So let me hold you, God caress my body. You got me going crazy, oh. Turn me on. Let me shower you, put your arms around me. You got me going crazy, oh. Turn me on. Everybody say, hug me, kiss me. Hug me, kiss and caress me. Hug me, kiss me. Hug me, kiss and caress me. Ladies and gentlemen, now if you wanna come and take a ride with me on the 345 on the BMG, so how do I feel this way? Hey, if you wanna come and take a ride with me on the 345 on the BMG, so how do I feel this way? I'm there when you call, but I'm always on time, and I gave you my love, so baby, be mine. What's that?
Got to do it.
What?
It should be about love, it should be about trusting.
Oh yeah, hold on. What's up?
DJ don't spoil.